What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Roy here with another video for you guys. I know it's been a while. We haven't been doing any build stuff, just a lot of maintenance recently, to be honest, and it sucks, but we have a little bit of a mini build real quick, just changing some wheels, maybe doing a couple other things to the S55. So this car hasn't really been featured on the channel much at all. I did a window regulator on the rear left door, and that's all it's ever been on the channel other than some YouTube shorts. But to give you guys a quick rundown, it's a 03 S55 M113K. It's got long tube headers, 77 millimeter clutched pulley, and an intercooler pump and coilovers. And that is literally it. I love this car. I've had it since 2021, I think. I bought it with 52,000 miles. Now it has 73, 5.5 liter, well, technically 5.4, supercharged V8. Let me show you guys. So here we are. Legendary M113K. If you know about these, then you know. If you don't know, they're great engines. You can do bolt-ons basically and whoop everything on the street. I mean, these things still whoop scat packs, which are, you know, brand new. So for a 20-year-old car, they're great, especially like the E55s and stuff like that. They're much lighter. They don't have ABC problems. They have aromatic problems, but that's besides the point. These are the current wheels we have on it. That wheel is bent, that wheel is bent, and right side wheels are fine. So let's change these wheels out.
Oh man, this sucker is bent.
Yeah, you see it?
Oh man, and you were driving with it?
Yeah.
And you never lost air?
I think a little bit, yeah.
That's crazy. Yeah, you gotta watch out for these things. It's good you work 1 year.
Here is the car with the new wheels on it. It looks so good. Transformed the look of the car. I need to get rid of this black crap. Whoever owned this car before me blacked out the car. Does not look good. Also got side caps for the side skirts now. It looks so good in the rear. The rear is like the perfect ride height. The front should go lower, but it has long tube headers, which are lower than the vehicle, so I doubt I'll do that. Look at that. Sounds fantastic as well. And we got two 75s in the rear now. Big tires.